Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melvina. In this channel, we talk about children, how we can bring up our children to be a good citizen. So subscribe, we are new here. Press the notification bell and like. Listen to all the videos and comment on what you know about bringing up children. We all need it. We all need this channel. Subscribe to help the channel to grow. And comment if you know anything about children, please. You can, you can leave your comment here. And soon I will soon start doing live video also here. But for now, I do live video in Facebook, in Melvina Daffy Children Education every Thursday 10:30 p.m. Europe time, and Nigerian time is 9:30 p.m. every night in Nigerian time. So I make it in my page in Facebook, so you can join and listen to my idea. But all what we do in this channel is to bring up how we can bring up our children to be a good citizen. Today's topic is domestic violence. Domestic violence happen everywhere to many of us, to you, to me, to many of us. And some of us don't know we are victims of domestic violence. So they will be there with this man who every day beats her. After beating her, he will be controlling his phone, controlling him, controlling her, trying to make her life miserable. Then if she tries to go away, the man will just start buying her flower, buying her gift, say, I will not do it again, the next day will do it. So these people are sick because they are abused also. So when they start their home, they continue to abuse other people by making making violence, by making domestic violence over their partner. So the people that suffer this domestic violence more is from 18 to 24 years. They suffer it more. So these men, when the women want to leave this man, they will say, if you leave me, I will kill myself. I will take my children from you. I love you, I cannot stay without you. But the next day, they will still beat. So the problem of this domestic violence, the problem is the children that is witnessing this domestic violence. Seeing their mother and their father fighting every day. Seeing their father giving injury to their mother. So the same injury that their mother is taking from their father, the same injury the children are taking it inside them. It's the same thing. The people that witness domestic violence and the ones that receive domestic violence, they are the same pain. So when you receive and you are witnessing it, you feel pain because this witness this domestic violence is every time. And these very people are their parents. Some of them will be internalizing their distress. And some of them will be externalizing their problem. The ones that internalize their distress will enter into depression every day. They will, go away from public, from a social activity. If they are feeling pain, you will not know. If they are angry, you will not know. If they are feeling bad, you will not know. Because everything, they internalize it. So that is why I say you parents should stop. You parents, you father, you mother, anything that is making you to be in your home, you should stop it. Because the children are crying. They are depressed, and when they are depressed, they cannot give their best in the world. So those ones that is internalizing their problem, they will be depressed. Depressed. From depression, they will enter anxiety. From anxiety, they will enter eating disorder. After, they will have heart disease because they accumulate this stress for a very long time. Instead of the children to grow healthy, they will grow up being sick because of the stress they are having at home. So that is why I say the people that experience it and the people that witness it is the same pain they have. Particularly the children that are seeing their parents fighting every day. Their father will just come inside and he will start beating their mother. Or their mother will just find a way with hot temper, talk to the man, and anyhow they will be fighting. And this domestic violence can even cause a dangerous accident to your children. It can cause domestic accident to your children because this is domestic violence. When this man is beating you or throwing something, maybe your children is afraid, they will run to come and help you. From there, they will get this injury or they will die. So we should stop all these things. It's not good for our family. It's not good for our children. It's not good for our home. It doesn't help you. Even you that is beating your wife, you should stop it because you are beating your children at the same time. And your children will be depressed. They will not live a good life. You know, they will be unhappy. The ones that externalize their problem, they will start, being aggressive. They have quick temper, hot temper. Once anybody just tell them, hi, what do you mean by hi? They want to fight. Before you see, they will carry bottle. They will carry cutlass. They want to kill. They want to fight. They beat everybody. After some time, they will start using cigarettes in a very young age. From cigarettes, they will enter drugs. From drugs, they will enter drinking. Or being drunk. And they will be same thing like their own parents. Because a child that already have quick temper and fight everywhere, which kind of parents will that child be? They will drop out of school because they are not interested. They feel nobody loves them, they don't love anybody. Even if they pay the child to kill their parents, he will do it in 1 minute because he's annoyed inside. He's not happy. So let us try to make a change. I have been abused. You have been abused. Our mother have been abused. But we can make a change by trying to bring up our children in a good way so that they will give their best. Look at our developed country. Many of all these things happen. They cannot even go to police. Nothing. They cannot go to police. That is why we should learn how to bring up our children in a good way. You father, you mother, please stop domestic violence in your home. Because it disturbs your children's life. How can you bring in children into the world and you don't want the child to live a good life? If they are not happy, they will not give their best. You will just, stop their life. Because they will not be able to give their intelligence. But if you educate them, keep all your annoyance, all those things that you have, the depression, keep it out. Now you have children. Try to make your home a happy home. Stop domestic violence. Stop it. Because it affects our children. It makes them to be sick and they can die. Because being violent in your home can bring domestic accident. Because when you stone a stone to your wife, it will get to your child. And your child will die or injured. So we should stop all these things and let these children have a happy home. To have a happy home doesn't mean money, it just means understanding and respect for the kids that you brought into the world. Try by all means to do your best and give you the best part of you to your children. Stop being violent to your family. If you have problem, work on yourself. Are you a woman that is always forgiving your husband? When you forgive your husband, you have to do something for him to work on himself. And you too, you should know what provokes him. Try not to provoke your husband, because your children, they are not happy. When they see the both people they love, their father and their mother, fighting every day, they are not happy. And it will make them not to go to school. How can you bear a child and the child will grow up sick? Because they are seeing domestic violence every day. Because of that, they are depressed. When they are depressed, they don't give their best. Because they will withdraw from many things. And they will have, character disorder. Their behavior you will not even understand it. You will say, why is it that my child is doing this? Because they are not happy. When they go to school, they will start fighting, because that is what they know. Then the one that doesn't fight, the one that internalize their distress, will be depressed, it will start to sick. It will be when it's growing up with sickness. Many times when we say, diabetes patient is come out of sugar. No, it's out of long-time depression. When they depress, it will affect one part of the body. So some affect this pancreas, when they affect it. So anytime you eat sugar, it will not accept it. And when you don't have sugar, it will not accept it. That is diabetes. So this is the problem. So if we want our children to be healthy, happy, we should learn how to bring them up in a good way at home. All the education of kids start from home, not the one they teach them in the school. That is why when they get to the school, if it is in Europe, when they get to the school, the teachers, they notice when the children are not happy, when it changes. For that, they will send investigator to your home to know what is wrong with this child that is so intelligent now. He doesn't want to read. He's not interested in school. Some of them will say they are going to school. They will be on the way, or they go late to school, and they will drop out of school. So if all these things happen to our children, how can they give their best? Look at our leaders. Our leader in undeveloped country. We don't have to say we don't have everything. We have many things, but they are corrupt. And I think if they are normal, they will not, be corrupt to the extent of not doing anything in the country. So I think they have problem also. So this abuse is also for them. Maybe they came out from a home that is full of abuse. So because of that, they have problem. They are not giving their best. So that is why I'm trying to tell you all now that you should try by all means to give your best to your children. And stop domestic violence in your home, because it makes your children to be sick and they will not give their best, and it will make their life not to be good. Sometimes when we say our children is not lucky, because they have problems. So when they have problems, when they go out, people notice them, so they don't give them opportunity. So let us try to bring up our children in a good way, so that when they go out, they will bring out their best. So, brethren, I would like to stop my video here today. Thank you for listening to me. Love you all. Love the world. Ciao.